Nani etena ka mu kwantin akotonyo mabegu ye shop mu so benya ni nyina ofako enno so ya asem foforo o so to mfa akosika swane ne mpatamu anase achimota la pass ekosinsa Jimmy Dale is your one-stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insure, enyane, anasa ade bia wo pe bia. So ukoton kwadia enye bebia wo se wutumwa eye Jimmy Dale. You can locate Jimmy Dale Ventures at Jiga Junction inside Soto. Or call us now on 0208-920-996. Jimmy Dale Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
Everybody check now. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. The beat is real. Don't wait, make it kill ya. Get your green select glucometer and check it. Sugar level, check it. 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 Green select glucometer. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Sugar level for check it. 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 Select glucometer. Everybody check now. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Are you an artist finding difficulties shooting your music videos due to financial situations, poor directing, or poor visuals? Then worry no more, because Kojokin Production, in collaboration with Flex Entertainment, are here to save your situation with a soft promotion package. From now till December, get a powerful top-class quality visuals to your music videos at a cool 2,000 Ghana cedis and the most interesting parties at your own choice of location. For more details, just pick up your phone and call them on 0249817182. Get the best and a quality video.
Until today, I never knew, sir, it is true, sir, some people are attacking themselves in the music industry. Na mene abranti bia bonkomo. First, na a friend of them things. They see in the money. Come up here on my ball, actually me say it is not easy in our space. The guy was clearly jujut. Jamo, stop it. Jamo, where from the horse's own mouth. Jamo, I know be see you. From a branch and numisa yedi chireno. Emma ye abua only ye Venisimos in the noon. Jamo,
yeah. Your inability to carry your load should not be attributed to the incorrectness of your part.
No, Jamu. We did not say it. The interview will be published. That one I can promise those who are always on Samiflex TV. Give us a day or two. You'll see this interview. The guy telling a story, how he suffered it, and I saw photos. You also see it when we publish it. Jamu, it is no joke.
No. Oya hands and in Juju.
Oh, you biasa. He's just an artist.
Indeed, if we be in Juju, now.
Oh, but do you think yeah, Juju only to a mom you bingwa? No, Chemo, I'm not sure, said who said the opening there when
of course.
But him said, Obi, and who said you'll be channel.
Yeah.
Yes, on back of Felicia, who, ABS, will be unlimited on 1 minute.
Enti no oba be mi juju na oye de ono ko nanim ana se de
eno ne adwen na omode ye no but emphasize like the guy said oye ni wie no he was thinking so nipa no bibi besi but the guy is still there.
Yes, emphasize
but eno just wanye no.
Oh, that's me and I make say yes untimi ne ma o se o keshire nye and the above from Accra untimi. And you know, there obia wa failing in life bia. Okay, o man a chance say or my reason to failure or binya bibiaka.
No, he has not failed in life. In fact, at the moment, he's doing very well and very fine.
Not in life as in Abia, the Hoya.
Yeah.
Tia or Cassie, you in America. Said the entire any Jujun, the holiday they were feeling. I mean, at this point, he made me, I say, Uncle Man said the open. And I all my reason, Tia Uncle Man. And all did Jujun neighbor. But suddenly, no one day. And into Oma, and I need the Obia home. And I don't be you, Muju.
So you still don't believe him? Okay. His name is Demkins. That was his former name. Now he's called Money. The interview will be published. Wait for it, and I'm sure when you also watch it, you take your side. Say One Chemo and the Woho, and now One Demkins, aka Money and the Woho. And American, what do you say?
Oh, of course.
Chemo, your sister on you.
Such a mono on Jim, then you say, oh, hey, and no, that is a Asamana. As soon as so BGBD, in as soon as being Jim, on Jim, a sick crowd, when you answer for Fraka. Then they also cast a Obi or Oma, Omo baby, uncle, Uja, Ubusum, Romania, Bibiakan, Sana, Oma Munjin, and maybe soon. Ujano, I didn't see a new crowd, baby, I can't say we ain't away and you saint. Sana, if you ask me, on Jim didn't in the engine, sir. But yeah, a GD, ye name the air course. Nyama de nyama o nyama akoso
de ni chama fu bia yemre
nyama akoso brasa me nyama wanwa
endo oti wa
nyama wanwa
kwana le ho
nyama wanwa
Joe esi wa
nyama wanwa
wana le ho o de say okay say oye be interview ni be course ntino ye be ja ma tifo ama
one of them was a mentiasi say obi say obi who said bibi sai is that what you mean
say pictures no they buy me her picture
no I know people who knew about this yes
but mu yin no obi wo ho
ana
bwana ni pa bibiri wo
yes o say ni pa bi bo de be bomb pa man na sa de ni ba.
Oh, okay. Engineer, ya sorry them. Another day in the fee. Ow, massa. What's awesome?
I'm not over baby. The chemicals.
Mammy,
my.
Yeah, who will be our decorator near Mujania that I will
go. Excuse now, or the argument, you know. Yeah, in fact, because the mere fact say, Obi ABB. Tio abrabo mu crap no enye obiara na ebo abrabo tene ne di nyasika enye ye ni na se de ebi mo di eso mo se de pese ye edwumaden na ye di mraso na ye se ni enya ye ho enye obiara no owo sa adwen bi entu ntimi nka se dem obi be twitu akakoji obi sika o traffic light asinti no omo bo bra mo sika was once aye we example say nkofo bi mu enya sika omo fa kwan mo no so enya sika to bi enya sika ni bia say ye mbonto saa na ewiase mu se fa na saa gidie 7 saa nyama na te obi betimi aye bibi fake e de bi ti obi agin because onim se bibi won pe ono so wa abilities bi o fa ho de bi ti obi saa nkrofo no chi saa nipa na untimi mfa saa nipa na nye argument embe kase hwe ni ho ana se ebi ntimi nsi we na esi no oyo ono na experience o enye obi po na ka story man o e ya dia wa komu on the video I say na me boss tra chemo na be ka chere me say e ya o ya na say e ya na be ka chere me
send me nisu trim
we argument we ya da so tra argument we ya da
o be me wa go susu o be ya assumption o be ya assume say na na re ka so tra on that to say
there be baby a wo ye asem na aka baby a wo ye free money say you betumi abo obi sotro ama ono so a exaggerate when you wanna do what can one side depend what can one side
depend na ono a ka kire me say
so nipa no ada wo hwe bo ma obi o aye mfa ho kan na o muni
ye bo
oh the same thing so wo ho oni say
bo physical violence be any
there be t but say by you try obi obo
that is why uche obi kra na ebro and
red card yes I know ya de wo hu na obi o ha ye ne wanka no no o muni say ye twa no later na you say later na you
say nipa bibia drama wo
na nti obi so aso mbo drama wo
masa meni abe na be bo to say drama be
drama wo aso to bo ni mu so
meni abe be bo obi so tro ma bo no wan am nipa na tia no say drama be me bu fo na nipa na nipa no oda form na o so ya na fa on fa me so me action nje di say no the way na rega bu ofu die akoro oda form on timi she da pretend na say
they say you are just at the other side of thing where you are doing free oh when binary say wanya abonu ni there whatever the person says no you should take it no oh yes I in life on so there be a ho be chiro
enti o tie me am ebonu na wait me so tie
wait for the video
the Jesus
money wait for the video and I believe when you watch the video finally you will know what we are talking about. Chamodi baby jana
wa original
aye ijate
yo ti da ta no ni ba kuma no
bibisa
no ka pa
bibisa
no go be video.
This is Showbiz Daily. We are live on Sammy Flex TV, King Tom TV as well. And I'm doing this with two of my men here. Nana Reagan in blue, Beef Nation president, black as the Beef Nation. God. That's a big God. That's a big God. Alright, and the team known as Solomon, aka Chamo, is also here. We are about to discuss some pertinent issues, not petty issues. So you guys should be part of this discussion. Remember, you can join the discussion on our WhatsApp line 0243514732. Drop your messages, be part of the convo. General knowledge, share some with us. Meanwhile, on YouTube, you can also give us your live commentary. Be part of those who are also sharing your opinion. Let your name be seen under the comment section. Be part of the show. And to the production team, Digital Rasta, Currency, Richie Flex, Yala PG, Tina Baby, and Gideon D. Laptison. I have just one name. My name is Sammy Flex. Let's set the ball rolling. Sincere here, family. You say you're seeing it. I want the chrome or a young conton rainbow in it. Person me read this story. I can't miss a million. Say, na san komo bi say ne ekoswa yehu. The story says familiar installed as Wasa Nyankonton. Nyankonton is rainbow. And the story says familiar is now a sub-chief in Wasaman. Familiar pledges to contribute his quota for Wasaman's development. Familiar has raised the name of Wasaman and Bogoso. That is what the Wasa chief said. The chiefs and elders of Wasa in the western region of Ghana have installed singer Peter Familiar Boza, popularly known as Familiar, as the Wasa Nyankonton. The musician, known for hit singles including Nothing I Get, is now a sub-chief in his hometown following the traditional rites performed on October 30th, 2021 to officially confer the title on him. Wasa Nyankonton is translated as Wasa Rainbow. Familiar will aside be addressed as Wasaman as Wasa Nyankonton. Familiar during the ceremony was spotted in a bright and rich kente cloth, seated among chiefs and queen mothers of the traditional area. Now this is what Familiar said. I would like to thank the chief and elders for this title and honor they gave me. I thank him so much and everyone present. I assure the chief and elders that I will not relent but to work to lift the name of Wasaman. As a youth, I will deploy all means possible to help the youth. That was what Familiar said during the coronation ceremony. Video biwaha producer especially kakra bi na pay. Yamra na me bisa questions so kakra na yetwas. Let's watch this video. We'll be right back.
No. Anyway, black one.
Família na passou para essa família apeta wasamaidi ba apeta wasadi ba apeta bogosudi ba edi amina na position para toso ba edi ma família ba alle ba ebe kan wo adumtufo nyinaa mu wakana ha no ba edunu ye ba wasa ba yankonton ba wasa yankonton
Madana na no ni before na na so friend second sa aboso body ani inu nyam se odi ase madana se be any obi bia which are asia ni me what can say sa aboso body a na na so friend out to so ni before e dia ma me ma the sense wonder na ye me bia be ma wasama e ko Apostle Asita, Apostle Apostle 7. Apoye, which I'm going to say, this is a prime apostle. What you take time to go you tonight, I will come back. This is so, maybe I'm in the money. Now,
Peter Famille Boza and Igna Timmy share in the coronation, you know. I think on behalf of Sammy Flex TV, we are all saying congratulations to you, Famille. Why are there? Now, let me say, Famille crowned this particular coronation with a big concert. In fact, huge one, with the new stars on the peers. Kweku Flake more, or Yaltog more. In fact, meaning say Yaltog about Ghana, yeah, I'm sure. I think I saw photos of Yaltog and Malcolm Nuna. I'm saying Malcolm Nuna and all them guys. Charlie, Omuko, Stormy, Bogo, so I easy cry. Great one day, great one day. Now let's have a discussion. In our history of Ghana entertainment industry, no, Famille is not the only celebrity or entertainment person who has been given such a title. Yere Fikra Mpono, Yere Ntimin Free, Aye Stonebwoy dear, Sapashene. Yere Fikra Nansia Samini so, Ekukrisi Ponkoso sa. In fact, Bebre, Ubia Kwa, especially to the northern region. Northern region, how crumpled they are not acquire ritual. Oye, Kese now copy, Udru ya, do call Tamale, and if you are Pina. Amount title be then they also deny now the wajma then they will give promises. Oh, We will make sure we help the youth. We will make sure we come and record with them. We will make sure we build studios. Blah 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 blah. Oh, munyedi. Akoso sa na babisia. Famia is the latest celebrated to be installed as Nyankonton and Wasa Nyankonton, the rainbow of Wasa. Of course, he is a son, proud son of Wasa. In fact, or shining everywhere you go, you hear Famia, Ibi Famia, Charlie, Abrantie, or Yesa, Nampani was Nana Bra, Nemo Abaso. Nay, just anyone dress here, wash share. Bibia, Ako kama. Now, and some of me said, and best be said, and I regard say, Oka Famia coronation, a boom, no, can't be a CB. Advice better betting the amount now. What has been the result of celebrating the Ramon Musa position?
Last time I very chair Ashafo. Now, I think the BBC the more I see the case upon maybe I'm saying now, yeah, you might be uncle and a crown or to Jim. And can BBC the responsibility be better also, especially when you have the community or wherever it is a Renato amount at heart. A big responsibility. Now, young Crow for a bobo within the they made me want to say I'm a dependent title. Now, you video be say I share, not pictures and I'm social media. There are stories about community, not a see. On share down who developmental plans be how they contribute to the villages or towns where they come from. I am almost saying when I'm sharing. I had to say, a politician, I want to campaign, I want to be a ombudsman. Most of these are celebrities now. I share some. So I am almost a title. So ACCC almost I'm going to have a home account. So I you. Then share them who me personally there. Mean to me, Boba could be okay. This person, yes, seen a day.
Let me continue with the list. When the Shay and Queen Shen. Almost so somewhere in the central region. Almost say I am more title CB. Almost say dress you in a full regalia. Very rich and almost so the CIA minim say when the shade liquidation no makwa kwa bibia and the biane hu.
That's and I make us say me who bibia significance bia from them. Say omaye and a ye who ya any mumbo de runi who said the sometimes you sure say family the okui or the bloggers di nechi and no makwa videos no ba betu apitin to mo kone dwuma die bi wana say money ahen for no kwa kwakotana say na ma ye contributions bi say ya idea bi po na mode ma na mama ye hu ne ente ne mbo hu de runi so oh ade we a bogo so fu etimi aye crap no family contribution ka ho bi but say ekoba ne say you be su ade na wie ye hu hwe dia na akwa say title hu na kwaneda oso na wode ne na because ejuma was say utimi ye makro enye say obe boa mo nyum to some of this me I see them as politicians so
artists na
omo like sisi omo enye artists na nkwa even ye no me amete ye me nkoso ahen na kra me who me who as a politician because I can also play a role in making sure say community na me film no e bia certain needs are me crop on a pen say me ni ye den kakra na me pese me ye ejuma metimi anya sa achievements in their mom enye sebi o DC ni MCs ni wan for na nko a na betimi police anya mana sankofo mu ni na mukina mukamuti gbo na mu ni na munya agenda papa mu ni na mu betimi aboa ma community no needs e won kakran betimi achieve ni kakra be as e dey mo bia na akoda and it has been our attitude ebia na politicians ne dey wo edi nya akonya kwa aben mu omoye onye nya akonya kwa aben pe no de onima so me wini ababo e be parliamentarian and no I'm not going to cry on Fabio I just said next 4 years no say about be campaign it is na celebrities no omoye me menya anka by this time say anka yesu ade nka by na anka family nim say okay okobogo so no wasa kromu a ade we na eye ade hia pa okromu wo anka na o kasa no musi ni we no mama akonya so nkasa na minim sa anka bobo ba kumienu bi akasa na nanom ade we amodi ma onimunyam sha amodi ahye mi meboa se ye nsuo sema aye koda no se okwan
kodana
yes e okromu na kwanko yes kwanko no me fa me ye as wasa rainbow me boa say emtan ko si ebi a enfie be say no ne yetimi akon ya yes I will can't defend keke o ba o be dun kran to one among
because now you are
yes senior politicians cry see a family or brand no obetimi dia nya certain philanthropists give me crap any other go crony mo betimi ye projects bi ma crona e hu nya say they be a best politician for na NBB for na no man ye NBB for na no man ye and say usu betimi play role bi. These are some of the things sometimes I expect from them. I've seen Samini's video or a phone one hour enough. Meaning say you see we are not so there or they contribute say obe motivating from mama you full baby one no for send I don't know. But sometimes they should let us see say okay clearly no almost some more ideas 1 2 3 or some period of years we say okay within 3-5 years
we need to execute this.
Yes, we need to get this for the community. I share say but we are not seeing this thing.
Okay, Nana Reagan, Beef Nation President, we are starting conversation. Like I said, you can also be part of it. This is on Samiflex TV and it's also on Kintom TV here in Ghana. We call the show Showbiz Daily. Be part of the show. Here we talk showbiz, we talk social, we talk political issues sometimes. But then drop your comment on WhatsApp 024-351-4732. Same way on YouTube Live. You can also be part of this convo. Remember, you're watching this on Samiflex TV as well as on Kintom TV as well. Now, let me go on to Chemo. Now, Mr. Chemo said, and also, what does he make out of all these things? Yetmit na kromu ana yakofo obroni bi. Obroni ne ba ne ya freno na ne Peter George Michel. Na ya friend Peter George Michel. Se sie you know, ye fro Peter George Michel biem. Ya be fro Nana Otonsuo mayen the first.
Just the better some.
Ne de atono so na Nana Otonsuo the first then ye you obroni kokokokoko ya frano Kentedi, no, they are good in shirts, so then they are about clean, Nana Otonsuo the first, no. Nana Otonsuo the first called Drew in America, in Germany, and on the land here. I don't know the other man or the Aquavi, if you are common team Mabim, a big moment in Mabim. Sa the nay, ye giant de ma Peter Michael Mo, near the ma Peter family moi, and no, ye, and now say. Young cause of a mama. Chamo, I know the way so far. Say first, now come the map for more.
Yeah.
If we are about to grow, maybe I can oh, Chamo, see our corner name or Najimo Yimu, or free Santis so and so. Brandy more and more, so tight we are. And then I say encourage. And I say, if I'm up Peter Michael more, motivated Zumano.
Yeah, I think that value na woman to say a coffee. Time I near the ma Peter Michael money na se for no mutua pa o
za
no mutua pa
no muto
oh yeah
no be ejuma
na bi kra o ho a o see hospital mo o ye bi ya no kra na mo yendi na na mo from mo nkoso hene no o be see hospital bi
that's how it was
yeah o be see hospital bi o town nim no ma say
ah to be kan ye bi
aha
oh
obedi kan ye bibi ansa obi si hospital obi omuni nso no aba be si reservoir akese ene ade obi won so a otimi influence NGOs ni bi eti se de na na ka no na omo de ne ma ba kromo obi okra ntade ye de ba akra bi o kromo bi ese be yibi ene mpaboa ne ade ntino I think that's our time no na a valuable chain ni ene de ase o ma ya manakoye se aye fashion bi as aye popular bi ni adade we are omoye ma family see no eye enmunyam hye ma family as a person aha ena no so e kire say waye bibi ama ni kromfo no kra recognize say waye bibi ena rainbow so de enim ne say baby a obefa bia ohu entina ya omo symbolic say say wagidin a ama bia ka kru no ena omo bona baso enti eye but omo yes I be into say some be responsibility be ma I think I we bibi emma kru na ankasa a obi esi kru mo beke oh saadi we there family na be ye ana family na di animu ma ye and no I think say this time around ye lacking abrofo ne there na omo je omo pa ndikwa na emma obia pe abrofo ni bi no nso abɔ ni bi enkro no obia pe broni aba ni kuro mu na abe bibi no nso abɔ no saa abasobɔde ni bi ba te say o abrofo no minim say aye o mse say de o mani atu say
because it's been longer.
Yeah,
the last time I who could be Ezekoso Akosomo. Even that guy almost said he had Ghanaian linkage. White, some white was there. I forgot the name. Yeah, on the ring na almost crown sour. Akosomo
yeah, most
he's a Hollywood actor.
Yeah, no mono ye bibi. Enti bibi say nke bebu say ho say e na family ye wo ni krom ho apa wa mama gidin what the celebrities call na that then they but apart from no wa ye bibi say bia enso bi school dan bi ana bibi ana eno na me giri say eye ababe different from say the no mo ya abrofo no abrofo de no omo ye bibi ankasa ansa kra na omo de sa basebody na ama entina binum kra ka say oh mo dada abrofo na jo music antina mo sorry musi omo hene ne ade but say ababa ye nkrofo de I think say omo ma value ni nkosoro na say value ni me ha omo ma na ba fom pa enka enkoso hene de o de akofuna ye de
aha chemo I think I have the story no say
you so no
I have the story now that Hollywood actor Michael J. White honored with Oduapon title in Akwamu. And that was the story. Oduapon title in Akwamu. So sana almost man. Yeah, no one hearing na this anawe emam. Yes, so
and you know me at this point in me encourage ahemfo no. Omo emema angofo abasobode say bi no. Say omo make sure say omo ebe ye bibi amakru no. Said the be ma value na be ma na artists no and celebrities no so omunya opportunity aye bo ma baso no omojo yes ye di jawa na de aso pen voka say di jawa na de aso eno ne say ye di jawa no o ko ba bia e say wa o fa de ko endi yes hwe so ma ye de ba o free wa e say o so endi no say omunya agitum say ombeje ayi bi say ya title bi say dia omunya ho adwuma omunye bibi
and yes somebody to
omom phantom so keke
they should act upon it.
Yes,
and show in fact their lifestyle as celebrities or as musicians should it be affected because now share video the music because nana resident the name of food should it affect
especially say
but you must nya himfo no nya himfo
say o ko ho a wo de sa respect no my tradition no ene za ya mamre na ye na obetumi aye sa wo ho o say oba o free ho a e bia wa ba enkran wo bebo bra and then nananum nyina nim say wa ba enkran bebo bra in fact wo ye bibi kura be hye o manimu nyam enti wo ba ha de obetumi live lifestyle na chere say o ye musician but say o ko o manimu a na ho nso so wo de respect na mom na wa ye say de o mo ye ho no enti sa na ma bi sa na o ko ho a na wa te so
say away from your traditional area, you can always do what you want to do as an artist.
Yes.
But anytime you come within the traditional area, you should portray the fact that you are a sub-chief.
Yes, and you are among your people, not anybody else. Oh, outsider now, bit me, I be, but I say, oh, nya bemu kwa dia. I say, oh, yet to say, now, yes, I know a bema value na baso. Sa name be say no ye dey many pa bebre ni adade no na e ma value ni kofo especially say ma anya bibia amfa ho enti so omo so pese ye hu na ye bo ma ba so say o ma ye bibia ana say you know title na de man ya amfa ama ne kwa o ma nso nya hu bibi even say ahemfo na aka say o ma o title no ahodi o mo tweet say ya bo apa so ye bibi kra o ma amfa nto o mo so as individuals ana say ye ni kru anano na o ma nya bibi say o mo school dan bi na o ma beto entade akoma nkra bi o mu nya entade hye bibi na mo na e basa nso na mo publisher ebe ma others ne so ebe encourage o mo so mu nya bibi because o ye na e ka say oh Stonebwoy cry ya ono so ya man title na dey no waye Samini to title bi na de no aye na najo a window Gifa Gumashi Wendy Shay any aha bibi sa endino endi ye be pushi o mo say
I think says in the northern region my enemy
as ya chechire odi asho ko
oh for some time I remember I'm say the manaba could be na enim ne pa on the na or making sure that yes endino ye best ya hemfo no say omo empushi omo title no nye bibi e na omo nso so gi title no omo nso ye di jawa na ye di aso nko ade to gi dia ready for the responsibilities in it
yes omo nso nye bibi e no beboa.
Okay, and once again congratulations to Peter Fameye, and let me say that at this stage, you know, me did say wow, Pastor say Bogo studio. When you want to go and do any developmental projects there, you need a land. Contact Peter Fameye Boza. He will surely help you to get some land. Asasi Yantam announce what to me. They acquired the episode. Yeah. Showbiz Daily still with my soldiers, Nana Reagan, Beef Nation President, and in Team Dodo Solomon, aka Chamo. Now we are moving on to our next story. George Britain has started in Komobi of Facebook. Now in Komodo started with Facebook, no, so many people thought say, oh, okay, we in Koma a war on non Facebook page. But interestingly, the conversation is gathering momentum. So many people are showing interest in this conversation, and I want to read a story that is talking about this story. Nafe Yenso Edi Hunkomo. It says Grammy Award-winning Nigerian artist Burna Boy is believed to have been featured on a yet-to-be-released remix of Black Sherif's hit single Second Sermon. Burna Boy, in a video shared on his socials, was heard singing his part of the song after being spotted on different occasions jamming to the freestyle by the Ghanaian young act Blacko. But according to talent manager George Britain, Ghanaians could have been quick to criticize rapper Sarkodie if he had jumped on the remix of Second Sermon. Britain, who is the manager of singer Camido, many could have termed Sarkodie's move as a grand plan of stealing the spot and shine currently being enjoyed by the young and budding singer. And this is the quotation. This is what George Britain actually posted on Facebook. He said, if Sarkodie had jumped on Black Sherif's Second Sermon, Ghanaians would have said he was trying to feed on the young man's shine. But here we are praising Burna Boy for doing the same. We need to start building our people to have open minds for the sake of the culture. A post by George Britain on Facebook read, Black Sherif's song continued to enjoy massive airplay. In Ghana, he is considered to be the next big thing in our music industry. Now, I want my producer to play just a teaser of what Burna Boy was seen doing in the video. Nafe ya back near be discuss say asema George Britain actually should it be seen as such ana ebia enyesa is the modus operandi the same. Send ebia Burna Boy efa so obeye ye no sana Sarkodie fashion so ye. Send a story in it over the years. Has Burna Boy been doing this? Aya or Taifa young boys now, oh, Brandon, you be your Tayana, and now on your crowd, there's one in the blue. Watch me. Watch this video now. Emma may be in Komonim na in Komokakra. I know you would love this, and remember to be part of the discussion. Kintom TV live here in Ghana, and again, Sammy Flex TV around the world on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel. This is Showbiz channel. We do everything showbiz. Watch this. We'll be right back.
Yes, I be gorilla, but you cannot lock me in this zoo. Yes, I be gorilla, but you cannot lock me in this zoo. This weekend come, I'm going to free fall. My money is long, so my friends they get it done. And no get, no license. Yeah. No license. Yes, I be gorilla, but you cannot lock me in this zoo. This weekend come.
Alright, so I want to believe you heard the rhyme there. This be King Kong and Kweku Frimpong. Interesting. Well, that song is not out. No video, no audio out. But this snippet, I'm sure, say well, him artist. Why recording more? You're Tinika more chilly. If you're yes, snap kakana man for so I fast on my screen recorder. And they I started trending number beer. Blacko Nakasakra, Menyesha Wakasa. Menyesha Wakasa. I will look for Blacko. We will start talking about this very, very soon. Watch out for that as well. Now, maybe sir, Chebo say, George Britton come our startee. If I call Facebook and the reactions, so many people are talking about it. Obiye kan keke obiye chena bin. Aha, Showbiz Daily. Yen betre adwen amana kwachire ache obiya de. Chebo, Matrix near the Sarkodie factor, the Burna Boy factor, and what George Britton is saying.
Yeah, na many George Britton so ya adwen.
Okay.
Yes, baby, I may me de fa. Ah, oh, yeah, when your religious side and I say believing in things, you know, so strong than reasoning now. Problems to be saying, and yet difficult to encounter and I say to see them coming. And with you know, a bit me a fa a be a on the amount for Casse. Which only Sarkodie anymore by Joe Shine. Sanko mo can Sakeke, as I said, George Britton there can ya and can any difficult thing for us to change. But almost the spiritual big touchery. A binum person much say Sarkodie.
So say Blacko Sheriff on October 29th. Tweet say is it Twitter or Instagram? It's
Twitter.
Twitter, okay.
Yeah.
Or say if you all hear my fresh verse on the remix, you go fuck up. Wow. Okay, so this is a confirmation that there is a remix. Yeah. So if you all hear my fresh verse on the remix, you go fuck up. So this is a confirmation that there is going to be a remix for real.
Yeah. So there might be sad and it says religious twists na a home. And China, I think ne y'all talk numbi, y'all talk number out Anna. Or because like now all back so and because all rain on it Sarkodie and na or Benjamin shine. And now one can say or can say it was spiritual influence to be yes. And no money you know. And no and the money you know as I sad at the same time. Say young crop for no. Say obi mpe obi asem na say obeka bibi no the spirit to cry ta ho pe. I didn't value be a muye duman kofu because we can't spirit asem
and we believe it
and we just believe it na eko and it the all kind of is so true say nkasa akode ye mistake and I say eyi na nkasa black na ye mistake and okoka che sack say sack me say me be me remix mame e verse cranka anka asem bisi enka omo decide no be ba say ye kan say akode aha obeji akra ne shine ti na onko form that then all because of that spiritual, you know. Because you can't say young kind of physical there, you move be to me give you explanation. Say black one sack be. But obi the spiritual aspect in the Bema. How do you convince the person say any spirit to be a sakode na you good enough? No. You because says I did not the young crying into still I call the way I command on. And in the way a good baby a ma a good say Burna Boy be and say Burna Boy edi kan ye ni say die. Ba yi koye bia sa akode koye bia. Obenya nkofo mo be defend ni say na say Burna Boy ye kra man kan hwe. Ade na sa akiri a afi na mo ba be kan say. Eni di no Burna Boy e bie kwan bi kra ma sa akode and the big artists, you know, in terms of sa ayi na man for the ball mo ni ade ade. Enti no so hwe sa angle no there e be good. But the money yes sad and say ade na nka ye ya kromu ni any opportunity to do it first before even outsiders. Burna Boy, I think that a new way buy and open. Yeah. And no any day or no any other day. And into also a musician now or jumping on it there. I mean, a big deal in that sense. And now big guys, you know. Sometimes all the name come on, and yes, or a musician, I keke. And I want to know the so I best. It be or more per se a nominal funnel like onya feeling be or more friend vibe onya vibe crop so nika cancer and you say vibe onya fun is hard there or be jumping on it now watch it do bit me and share the about out you cry now Charlie. I think it will be a powerful song.
Is Sarkodie the only artist who has been suffering this?
No.
And if he is not,
yeah, he's
why is George Britton using him at the example here if he is not.
Yeah, he is not. I think almost he crash shatter crash. I think at some point or no person be here.
Yeah. On America for
one ni na enye ono kwa enye by Sarko dey I think say enche sa because of your talk the issue ni other than aha. And anything I me say George Britain dey Sarko dey in particular ebe you know. Senka enye obi a oye like the A-list artist ni bi nye omo da A no na omo da A-list artist na ye ni mo na chi a enka enye issue enka beka so mu nyina ebia they want to come up no more build but say ankoye ebia Stone Boy ni obi a ye nim say bi owo ska o industry nim e na watua Stone Boy so o me enyanyum na ekoye new artists are all by want to mean to Stone Boy ba Stone Boy person na enyum pe o meka say o person gini shine yes and you know yeah big artists ni there omo bre was ade no na na there some man ye difficult na make us spiritual connotation na omo di shim omo nya kase spirit pe na obi connection and that one is difficult.
There the spirit there is a spirit
but there one say onipa no best struggle obeye popular we are no nya spirit no.
Of course.
Eno na man here ya no.
Say the spirit wants to be known all the time.
Yes, and so the time now all struggle ni their spirit no more. Ba onya be big pe na spirit na wada.
Onya ko big pe no Africa.
Canada no. It's sad and omo mu use that strategy no. Omo win ya business. That's how BB to say Illuminati for instance still a popular near there. People started spreading rumors about the group no from Illuminati no and so fast I be seen the people like Jay-Z Munina Krano here from Illuminati but the truth is even how Illuminati started here say only academically good you don't even qualify to be part of them. Yes. By any day, the Illuminati will be successful in their area, especially popular, especially in entertainment. I don't know, so I call them more fans, suffer, but hopefully our society will change. At some point, we may change, right? Because faith, I never quite know about faith, religion, beliefs, and stuff, and say, anybody to miss some with time. And hopefully, say, no more can be enjoy. Nkofu bi be ba e bia yam push omo in that sense na afaba we there you can't do much about it.
Okay, George Britain was started in Komokese pa King Kong and Kwaku Frimpong omo dey accept kese pa e de beba. Let me go on to the narrator and Miss Anne say yes. Also only saying is Sarkodie really doing that? Why is he the only one always mentioned? The Burna Boy a big deal. And a big deal. So Mukai said maybe not on a black sheriff bomo video call and it's about Bonting and it has been obvious say Burna Boy in the show instant love man in fact he started showing all the love signs or no in fact say ka oba or couple obe man because we or no obe man or anything or couple oba and I said the vice versa. It ebisa say how has the story of Sarkodie been like? Why is he always being accused and why is Burna Boy's a big deal? Yes, Dana Reagan.
Well, me understanding. I don't think say George Britain let's go out Sarkodie say or accuse you or no, and BB or can't say be a Ghana for accusing or no Sarkodie in person because of some of this. But I think say you soon ask one out of many artists example. Me GD say yes Sarkodie on Kwana so far.
Oh, me I think say Sarkodie no ka.
Oh, me understand. Me general but or Sarkodie in the air.
Sarkodie has some story now man for hectare kan.
Omo di yo bi abrasa me. In fact, enye underground artists are all bar when you shine ebia A-list artists be fan aye. Amongst them the A-list artists no kasa dey na ekoso. Sometimes no ebia bon say ebia A-list artist Sarkodie na ebia de no won finfin kakra bi ope Sarkodie mu bi na emba na onya shine bi na Sarkodie person ebibre sa kasa na ekoso. You see, natural can be about faith and spirituality. And no, brother, your industry won't start incommoding 5-10% dodo na ye omo akasa omo attitude omo suni omo ban bi omo de ye adwuma no there are so many examples yenya artists bi or ye A-list artists bi up and come bi baswa ohia sa A-list artists ne mo ebia or on record say my sending a text that my friend that my yes say that make a recording me tone and classy because who know am yes say we film but most is any paninya hit pe na fe obi ni puno ama until the moment abeye sa ne pe public ni be hu no san komodi ni be koso obi be busa say adentina time na all struggle na ebia no so send say all tweet or yes say we mbua no but na ya Ghana for man attention be pe no you want to tap into the attention san komodi we say sa suban bi sa na etu ntwa san komodi bi say etu ntwa da etu ntwa da eyesu amanfo suban bia o fele say na o pick mu no eyewo unim say sometimes ka ye A-list artist bebre e was insecurity attitude say omo kwan na artist bi particular artist bi mu krapo eni omo eye noma yes obaba be twa omo nti omo so mu close omo do with the people around them nti person ni ye adwuma project bi kra omo ye adwuma me basa bi nini na kasa nyama e contribute to san komodiewe nti na ukofo bi obi yeso peja na akofa npom so se ale so se nipa na ba be sign on nti no wa sheda na no ukofo the answer I think says me say if it's ebony say when the shame mbako omo one hit song bi omo kase nipa no o send enyom ne man nipa no mfi na ono a drop enyom na ye hit na nipa no send message say he wants to jump on the song for a remix. And we say clearly you are giving people
and artists, no artists. Yes.
When you do stuff like you are giving the public a clear reason to make have some of these conversations. So as I say, and right now, I understand the point JB wants to make, George Brayton wants to make with that. You benya nka bibi sa akra san komodi yukrapone and but unfortunately say because of inconformity attitude religion soon moon says same be am feel say we betimi aye medro we betimi age me shine e dey sound komodie bi say eba but who the two papers so brasa me I think say akode right now any Burna Boy right now Burna Boy demand say obi say Black Upeka so bepe Burna Boy na ke be din kakra say yes say bi ono an Philip ma fall in love and the person ye bibi on na ye bibi boma ke be as compared to akode Inti sa nyama bi say na bi
ase might not be easy as we even think.
Of course.
On dey say on ni share last time ka say o say on ni baby na time no entinka or approach
the time will still be a factor.
Yes, on by senka ebia we don't know the echo behind the scenes there but enka Black echo say Sak I think minimum we can do a remix, let's do it a bit easier
than like as compared to only Burna Boy say Burna Boy na dey ne ho ba so that we eyes oba ko pe be ma what I say bibi sa na nti me enye big issue ma because ne post no no I was also a bit misasa generate another conversation be opposite conversation obi so betimi atena be bia argument say okay enti sesi na oye post bi say no say sa akode anka Ghana for be ka say obeje ne shine na say enti aye Burna Boy Ghana for anka so mu praise no na anka omonye den anka omo so mo fa the same treatment and serve Burna Boy enti omo so mo we chire na ebi omo so mo fi Ghana na say omo wa bonten yes omo monitor no person omo ba if you want them to be served with the same attitude and so chire bi no bi so ono so betu ne for say no nkofo mi kwa mo ka say we kra no na me na me man say
ono person ka say yaya ma Burna Boy dia next time
and make say meeting na say but obi so betime di sa asebi ya make nso ye nkomodie say omo abonten no say Stormzy in your talk look at the kind of conversation we were having
yes
obi kwa say
one of the critical examples
yes obi kwa say the way I the Stormzy cry me sure so be Ghana say obi on boy bi aba be feature for me
that is
because of the because of
if it's emotional you can take this decision
yes enti say in common yan kan yi ebi onu Burna Boy no so betimi aye emotional in some way about it enti yendi nkomo ni yi enye ade a enye nkomodi a ekọ obi whether the person is a Ghanaian artist or not a Ghanaian artist no onya sa response na artist na ya de papa. So let's condemn it in all sense, in all angles, because enye dan obi be kosoro, obi be won fifi, obi be wa ase, obi anso be hi obi amo at some point. Enti enje sound nkomodi say na we pese we the other no wouldn't say yeah old artists bebre ya am legends of time between na wan bebre na ntimi poni enya new artists because of nkomodi ya di o.
Yeah. Kwabna recently talked about that.
Yes.
Or call London now ka say the album or young guys maybe a feature mo.
And Omani no may it could even be the team around it. Aloma the chance or take you shine and one no. Onya room pen onya one hit pen and one no. Charlie. Adiwe ye did you again ye did you when you're there. We foreign I did you when you're there. Marketing a musu ya na pese ya force ya limit ya to just for a few years. Ye bi ma obia benya ne so ne de. Enti enjai sa pettiness ne sa attitude bi a e man krofo bi mu close obu odu so ano wo close ne. Yes. Enti also this ba unyo obi so no so be so mu. It also bad, but you were pumping basic from safety.
Not regarding Beef Nation president telling us about what really is going down. George Britain's conversation, the fact that Black Sheriff, any man like African giant, that is Burna Boy, and the remix Bebano. We are waiting for it. Koye and Koye on this same platform. We will sit down to discuss it. But it is my hope, say, all Ghanaian artists, especially the up and coming ones, Ombenya should be seen. In fact, everybody needs it.
Content is king.
Yes, everybody needs it. It's a name as a family and you shoot away from Burna Boy. Black Sheriff. Anya shoot away from Burna Boy. Ade betchine family and you feel be ho. Ade betchine ya talk. Oh, can so nyane de dada. Storms your money. Of course, all these top guys, omutiminya sa shoot away. Mejidi say beboa. But then as to what people will say there, I still think no matter what, people will talk.
Those conversations.
People will talk. In fact, at every point in time, every move there, people will talk. And then Lumba, I know so many people are insulting on the crowd on Ninkoranin Punjashi because on Ninkoranin. Ma obizuni ni yemse sako de say we ni on yomuye amon for be the Shatawale the boys ikoye amojo Las Vegas say be trouble na kama. But I'm sure whatever benefits that was in then ebia ne sakane. So to me, it is a forward movement. Yamwana ubia boga embra ubia boga ba dodo na ye bedidi.
That's na me the way come say sometimes na ye celebrities na say ye musicians no omo me sometimes I feel like they fail with their mental and I say emotion checkups and say because as a impempenso bi abedu bia ne ho nkomodi o.
Of course.
Because udu level bi na edi ho nkomo in a particular way na man na affect na na say women no limit to in doing or having certain productions done, then you are not checking your mental and brain. Yes, then be was so prepare or cycle on to at any level be a we yet then comedian there. Who they say we ya can you don't watch now for forever.
I'll see what's up forever. Now moving on to our very last story. This is Showbiz Daily. We are live on Samiflex TV, online, YouTube. Subscribe to our channel. And again, remember that we're also live on Kingdom TV. Kingdom TV is a TV channel here in Ghana. And they are really supporting this content here on Samiflex TV. Now, artist biya ya nyuma. Onya nyuma nyansa wu. Anasa, we wait to media. Me nyuma me de ba betu fo pe futu akwa sorry. Me nyum de me ya ma se me twan Friday. Friday wa pon adwuma wa bre a one boys girls manya mo black label bi ni mo coke bi ni catfish no nas mo so mo dia chili eno so ho no bi esa wa heboni ana saying Keche is talking here. I'm talking about Keche Joshua Keche Tintino okasa oko interview ewo Atinka FM. I suspect only Roman father na yes interview no na enkomodidie mu na okase se si ai pa de oba Ghana enyum na ase eka ensem no enyum na ase eka adwen mu nsem no enyum na ase etan ase de fa adwen no asa sese de aka eye yemu yeni ebu saa wakasem ana on kan hwe ye hwe video we na emeto ankomo ne so
kra onyinje yeah and true kra onyinje yeah and true yen say and then the songs that are coming in all the time yen say it doesn't really make sense like that. It's just a party songs. Let's party.
We are live on radio.
Oh yeah, I know.
Okay.
Let's party. Let's one bit of people say if you listen to our song Good Mood.
Yeah.
No one knows tomorrow.
Yeah,
it makes sense. Oh,
yeah.
Aside I know where the party day today. Are we telling you anything? We just party. And the song say be now. Once you go online and check. One bit of let's party. Let's be on the street. Let's party. Aside. Who told for such a make money and winning brain. Aside that, about if you listen to Jay, I don't follow me idea. Like so now, we can about him like 50 years ago. Yes. Wrong. And now, almost songs no. Oh, Bobra, Fenyansa to him. Oh, Kwasha Wichi. Can you feel today? The youth, yo, we're not ready for that too. Let's party. And we'll drop here. Men am now say yeah only me walk across but they you understand so no so today no be the worst plenty give them good beats and give them small flow we good okay
I am Rena Dani Rena dia Dani is so sound
Keche Joshua ena yina ya share say or make his commentary and look at the passion the energy as rich now they can't send me who's at Kwana Sem now can wa mini pa ya some dana come so or person can and we be na wa kwana nim sa. Now when I come home I'm asking my people and you're also watching us either on Kingdom TV or on Samiflex TV. I'm asking you say Keche Joshua wakasem bi a obi kan bi da ehu ana de all kind crown and shed that enye hu sa. Na na regard enti we na emfa chemo wi. We are not much them are doing light one.
Personally, in my opinion, Minjin this any phone baby. Minjin.
On cast any phone. Send my no. There's a difference between any phone and then you might send. And your phone, you say production yet, young training delivery yet, and then you phone.
That is a day.
And no man answer, my main can is brasa.
Maybe a binum.
My main can is brasa.
I got you are fucked up. I got you are fucked up.
Rather, you still crap on. Main gin, they say, and you go and answer. Once a yum be in the mood in the period. See. Meeting me, I say, any more another example. Or the rabbi beer, depending on the mood of microphone or more, or boss, and your man. One show more on my body language, you can better than I could then your man, I'll be Nance and Benny. But or drop away the party day to day, it will make sense to them. Master, I'll be no monster. Now, or your tips in that, or to me, bet me as a Rasaka, can you my old dropping all this and they make it sense. So, what I make it sense called body in the prayer movie. Ah, uncle baby, I party. DJ Bebon, what to say? I'm on my boy, they are not much beat. That means, oh, beats in the canyon home over there. And I find out. The never said on the ground. When you say, you know, crowd, no, the example say the 5, the Nyansa woman, the crowd. Sometimes you don't know a son of the 5 years. Tine bi mo ka te ntonte ya no mo sane fa de sa ta mo ko tena se fu ase ye bo e yikete won e sa free to one
omo pan music crowd
bo no mo de fa dwen nti me na asem na all come on position here because enyum de rasa me enyum bia nipa na owo ni mood mu no be kire say at this point this song makes sense to me
or not
untimi kano trasa because okobo sisi ameti obo ankwa no bi ahomati am fraud ama o ama wo de se ma fe me dofu bia Say, Charlie, for them to replay my what? One woman, no.
So I feel not for be.
When so come on, when the party day today be oh Charlie. By this time they.
I don't know
what is the office that now come to be that. By this time, that time when you bro checking me, oh send edit stories, open you be out to say the phone box. They do Friday.
Yes, sir. And the black beard,
go kakra. To me there. Yes, said they always explaining man. I think say nyumfu against sensible songs.
Yes.
With in terms of production and now we change them. But nyansa woman dear, me dear rasam. Yenjama individual personally to determine say nyumu at this point we nyansa woman be it because nipa no ne verse no can same way. Black onyumi ebi mu bebe na bet me raise nyama bi mo eche say make sense. But do na so ba chere say nyansa wo obi ni mama be chere say enyomo no wa be break it down akwa no kan same. Yeah. So enti yenjai man individual we ya ka se be compare na offer na chemo ni me di nkomo bi onu so mo time say mo twem na new generation but mo tina ka say oh depending on almost the type of music on be make us oh na say mo kra we say mo nyanya say hwe we mo tetefo no na point e bi atomo Joshua keche Joshua mo nyom say o mu na mo bonya ansanyom but one guy suppose so ti asisi a admit say o bonya nti eye nyom fu against nyansanyom. So by argument this time
it's even say if I put you on the spot and besides say keche group no o sha ombo nyansanyoma obeka den
beka so ombo nyansanyoma.
Ombo nyansa.
Yes, ombo nyansa.
Za omo nyumbe na to you nyansa nyumba.
Ndio kai. Nobody knows tomorrow. Sa. Obi be say dem. Obi oni ejuma. Obi say okoku ni won kra. O tie say ni obi ti ma na de say dem ka o chale to bo ase.
Forget you how.
Nyo kwa na. Baby cook ni black lady na go.
Baby with this guy black lady.
Papa kra me.
No baby are me pay dem.
Governor de one guy na come here be echa.
The person is too tough.
Okay. So we are still debating on this. Keche Joshua say and the Uber industry ni ma setting akwa say they say setting no amount for nyum no mo as a party near more and you need say only Adriana. But me so before I chemo bebam I want to make this little summary of a discussion. Say one, Ghana higher one, Africa higher one. Do one hara honum dinam. Oh yes,
come there.
In Africa, do one hara honum dinam. Do not raho. That's why we fight unnecessarily. Recently, me video here. Anytime me be jam traffic, more blows. Yes, I know. The people are sad. In fact, I'm not quite frustrated. And he said, "Oh no, I'm the man no sa energy na." Yes, it's true. I understand. There are times so person tears and but the ordinary guy na the tribomuno. Why do you think reggae boys no pay reggae no ana Santa better? But you keep them not reggae. What you choose ah but you energy business spirit no.
At some point, Kanan Kofobi Mokra say Lumba Cram Bunyansanya because of
the
contents in it.
All right, Joe,
Brother, me, what can you baby? I will free man. Say Africans are passa. Ye passa pan African country, yeah, passa. It is a one monument.
Yes,
Africa country, yeah, passa. A honor one you free moon. Say one monument, you bet me the asa or where you know, audience in this. anaasɛ baabi a wɔnum no bɛpie no ɛnso so yɛ limited yɛnka sɛ amanfoɔ ɛntie ɛnwom a wɔde fa adwen ɛnɛ yɛwɔ bebree but saa ɛnwom no yɛbɔ no under G ɛnti na nkɔfo bi bɛka sɛ somebody like Akwaboa ɛbɔ nyansanwom ba nso yɛnti ne din wɔ ho a ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛnti ne din o ɔmo mu tie ne tie ba ɔmo nyɛ ɔmo yɛ loud no aha because say pass ano enuma oba a odi say be bia no ye ni ji hu eni di kwa na bi o ha African bia be ka say abrofo de omu ni masa omu ko off beat no hwa no Africans pass up eni de enum na ye bo no enye strange ana say enye bibi foforo bia ye hu bi da the argument say ye more sensible song no I think say a general statement every generation bia can be. In fact, 500 years ago, now you say, nkwa na ọma wọ hɔ no asɛ ɛkyɛn ɔma na ɔmo kan at that time. But after that years no, ɔmo nso bɛka sɛ ɛnɛ generation de ɔmo asɛ yi o ɔmo ɛti sɛ diti sɛ yɛyɛ ka sɛ nkwa ɔmo aba ɔmo asɛ yi o. Saa na nkwa na ɔmo aba no bi nyina ɔmo nso bɛka sɛ nkwa ɔmo aba ɔmo asɛ yi o. Ɛno bi saa kind of statement ni bi na ɔyɛ. Ɛyɛ general statement a ɔsɛ. Ochinu say on give you details of it obe hu de obeka bi na me expect say presenter no ebebu san say engine ebi ni den o de onka sensible song no opa oni so o ma de
describe which song will
qualify as a sensible song ne use say nobody knows tomorrow na nobody knows tomorrow they obey me I can say nti sa o sa na wa me on we bi akosi who let you say you can say you do rema obo who say you found one thing because nobody knows tomorrow money day money no day compare juma
yes
men can say sa
yes I agree
so compare and say nobody knows tomorrow and money day money no day compare juma ye compare so and you know or no any there me I will agree with him say a sensible song at one point but say on or the no ba na zoka ye interrogating na mesa man I say enye sensible and you know difficult for you to come and say we a sensible song we a sensible song because ye ka say ye disintegrity the audio to na ye twetwem papa ma asembeto yes and you know a argument you know apart from say a general statement or no generation if you are new ones and never can be you know a one epim your code details per emfa and you know a general statement in the I obviously disagree with him. Because
now I know you work with artists, you promote artists on their YouTube channels and more. Yeah. In composing a song, you know, what should be the artist's main motive? If I say me yenyum, me tronyum, chemo me first, mommy. After listening, tell me what you think. Yeah. What should be the artist's first motive? Is it not to entertain?
Yes, it's to entertain. By artists, you know, because of individual differences, you know, most of them almost succeed in based on almost experience and how I feel at the time of more trying. And then I will be like a black sheriff, because you can feel it. Say I can some. You just get it, and it's so natural. Say Obiana will be related to the kind of story beyond any genuine. And you know, and say ba. Nipa chrono motives in be different based on nipa experience any the old come at that time and or the be you know yentimi and show bia so onye any been say a good chamber ndina somebody like Kofi Kinata so betimi arene the writers of the year to so be 3 4 there yes because of the style now or no so e use no and the style no e based on the experience the what ni wan or the basa. And you overcast Kofi Kinata a sensible song, fine. But nobody knows tomorrow, so I also qualify as a sensible song at one point. But say, I chichemu bima, assemble to Sanumana, and you know, overflow binum say a sensible song, and I say a sensible song in a day. Empha, saying any anchor with Nana Reagan, a session, they say, and pa. And they be difficult, a bit easy to defend. But a sensible song in there, no. They are sensible man, and a sensible man will be.
I see. Then you, as a music consumer, say also hot now pursue Tienuma. Which one do you look out for? Tell me what you think about this as we wrap up today's edition of Showbiz Daily. Nemum Kai say, a branch and I can't say or say I'm out for a jujuno. Chemo say, I know the I will be everywhere. I say I will be down.
But a video allows a picture.
A video now with the
video no and pictures in it. Okay. Oh, I will feel a new mobile and video Nicholas.
Yeah, you know.
Niasi.
And one pie cry when that was it.
And you are training in an your movie. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, very. Yeah, very. Say,
I don't know the
Thank you for following Showbiz Daily. Special thanks to Team Dodi Solomon, aka Chemo. And he is an expert when it comes to YouTube management. Let me also say thanks to Nana Reagan. He's a blogger, he's a promoter, he's a publicist as well.
My main chair, I am two of DDT, producer DDT, Kwame Nkrumah. And I pay the owner a Beef Nation for secretary, send them screenshots. In fact, me na me di can crack posty Kwame Nkrumah news.
Yeah, the man also say the news on Viva.
Yes. And I'm to Kwame starting.
To call over what?
According to DDT, no say Kwame Nkrumah ban Homa or a verse edit to on you so. But as we yi on only verse in the film and on a CFO be abuchi.
Yeah.
Akwakoye no on the on pay ato flyer so at say oba be release
nti DDT verse ne gusu on you so.
Kwame Nkrumah, according to Kwame Nkrumah, so on far verse and end to on so. Now, or catch a DDT say, and Kobe and remix, a remix no here on the DDT verse. But DDT so say, and yes, an agreement in it. Okay, so on any year, no more. Enjoy the verse and the better, and you know, Baby releasing it so. And to until the entire man wasting the time and the energy. I was to the sorry. I had in the way, I feel the way in the verse in the office.
When they producing you know. As a beat in one.
In fact, I didn't pay attention. I think I need to check again and confirm it. Right, I don't want to.
Because that DDT is a beat maker.
Yeah, I know.
And our botching is a beat maker.
Then I need to check that thing again.
And I think I send been to woman.
Because DDT and a boat DDT the boat beating ma a Kwame Nkrumah. And I say or ma or no DDT in the voice too so. Then they were yako ama. Abochi are maintaining the same beat, you know. I no DDT voice a film in the art so they are. It will not go in their favor.
Whose favor? Kwame Nkrumah.
No, so yes, I to not go in his favor.
Oh, okay.
Sasanet here, unless a beat, you know, Abochi a boy. And a Abia Kwame Nkrumah any a BB on their friends DDT BB. And now the way in every moon or so near Abochi to us. And they said a big deal.
Okay.
But say DDT because all start also DDT Kwame Nkrumah and young. And then yes, idea.
And you mean now upon a bowl beat.
And you be produced by Mr. Lehamix.
Yeah, Lehamix.
Well, it is a story we can follow too.
But I said the new they are on a bachelor.
Yeah.
Kwame Nkrumah, they are now or you voice every man. For where's the community?
No, you interrogate this. Very, very well. Guys, thank you so much. And yeah, and you need a magic. Kwame Nkrumah is a good songwriter. That one I know. He performs very well too. So we'll be waiting for this story as it unfolds. My name is Sammy Flex. Special thanks to the guitar rasta called Currency, Richie Flex, Emmanuel Ofori Lapiji, Tina Baby, and Gideon Nilamtesin. This has been Showbiz Daily. This is where you still get your showbiz content. So tell those who are waiting for Showbiz Agenda to come here, Showbiz Daily, and let's do the business right here on Sammy Flex TV. Until then, tomorrow, let's meet again. We are out of here.